Increase your chances of getting a better remortgage deal. The mortgage market can be overwhelming, and that's no different when it comes to remortgaging. There are a few things that you can do to make sure you're in a good shape to get the best possible deal when it's time for a new deal. Number 1, how's your credit score? Your credit score can affect your ability to get a good mortgage deal. Make sure your credit score is up to date and accurate before applying for a mortgage. Number 2, are you able to put down a larger deposit? This can help you access better deals with lower interest rates. Number 3, speak to a mortgage broker. They provide access to a wider range of deals, exclusive deals, and also offer expert advice. Number 4, shop around and compare different remortgage deals from different lenders rather than just accepting the first offer you receive. Number 5, be honest and accurate when providing the information to your lender, as any discrepancies or inaccuracies could affect your remortgage application. Number 6, have all necessary documentation ready, such as proof of income, bank statements, and ID, to speed up the remortgaging process. Number 7, avoid taking on any new credit cards or loans in the months leading up to your remortgage application, as this can negatively impact your credit score and remortgage eligibility. Number 8, make an informed choice. This can help you secure the best remortgage deal for your needs.